Good day, how are you? So, let's say our delta b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So, when the discriminant is less than 0, what does it mean? It means the roots are non-real roots. It means the roots are non-real, or they are imaginary roots. When b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means roots are real. It means the roots are real. b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. It means the roots are equal. Like this. And we have again, if b squared minus 4ac is equal to a perfect square. I think every one of us, I think we all know what is a perfect square. What is a perfect square? When we are talking of perfect squares, we know perfect square. We are talking of 0. We are talking of 4. We are talking of 4. We are talking of 9. These are perfect squares. So whenever our discriminant is equal to a perfect square, it means the roots are rational. It means the roots are rational. When b squared minus 4ac is not equal to a perfect square, it means the roots are they are irrational. So this is what we need to be having on our fingertips. You need to know this for you to be able to find the nature, of the roots. So whenever a question comes asking you to find the nature of the roots, this is what you need to know. You only need to know to calculate b squared minus 4ac. You find it. Is the answer less than 0? If it's less than 0, the roots are non-real. If it's greater than 0, the roots are real. If it's equal to 0, the roots are equal. If the answer comes as a perfect square, it means the roots are irrational. If the answer is not a perfect square, the roots are irrational. So from now, we can do a few examples regarding finding the nature of roots.